Long, long ago, in an ancient city called Notsie, in the land we know today as Togo,
the people suffered, working day and night without rest.
Their king, Tobi Agokoli, was a harsh and wicked ruler. He forced the people to work without rest.
Life under him was hard. The elders, wise and thoughtful, could see that this life could not continue.
So, one quiet night, they gathered, speaking in low tones, planning a way to be free.
Gently, carefully, the women began a secret task, pouring water on the Great Wall.
Day by day, night by night, the strong wall slowly grew weak.
Then one night, the moment came. The wall cracked open, and the people moved.
Silently, they escaped, leaving behind fear, carrying only hope.
The journey was long and not easy, through forests, across rivers, under the hot sun.
To confuse their enemies, they used wisdom. They walked backwards. Their footsteps would point in the wrong direction, making it hard for anyone to follow them.
Through the forest, they moved silently, step by step, backwards. Every sound mattered. Every movement had to be careful.
When they reached the river, they crossed through the water. This washed away their tracks completely. It made their escape even safer.
At last, they reached a peaceful land by the sea, a place they could call home. There in Anloga, they built a new life, full of freedom and joy.
After days of careful movement, they found time to rest. Together, they shared food and strength. Their unity kept them going.
And they said, "We will never forget where we came from."
So they began a special remembrance, a festival of their escape and victory.
They call it Hogbetsotso, a time to honor courage and freedom.
These are the Anloewe, people of courage, unity, and deep tradition.
welcome to the breathtaking Volta region of Ghana, home of the Anglo-Ewe people. Today, we celebrate the Hogbetsotso Festival. As the sun began to set, the children watched the strong fishermen hauling their nets, dreaming of the day they could become like them. Gather close and I will tell you about the time our people fled Notsie, walking backwards, the meaning of Hogbetsotso. The Hogbetsotso Festival, as it is known in Ewe, is time for peace. During Hogbetsotso, justice is served and disputes are settled. We must live in harmony.
Is a time for peace. During Hogbetsotso, justice is served and disputes are settled.
We must live in harmony, yes.
The vibrant Hogbetsotso Festival concludes with a final dance celebrating the rich history of the Ewe people. Welcome to Angloga, where we celebrate Hogbetsotso, the purification ritual weaving the vibrant threads of our heritage. And the Hogbetsotso Festival is a joyful celebration of culture and history. Before the big day, we prepare our finest kente cloth. Then, we celebrate Hogbetsotso. Welcome to Hogbetsotso, where the Ewe people celebrate their vibrant history and migration story with vibrant dance and drumming.
Before the big day, we prepare our finest kente cloth.
Yes, just like that. Step forward with the right foot, then bring the left foot to meet it. Very good, keep going.
Welcome to the Hogbetsotso Festival, a time of immense pride and culture.
To honor, we dance together, strong and free, by the Volta Sea.
Look at the convoy arriving.
It is time for Hogbetsotso. Welcome to the Hogbetsotso Festival, a time of immense pride and culture.
Even today, the people gather with drums, dance, and proud tradition.
Because Hogbetsotso is not just a festival, it is the story of a people who chose freedom and never looked back.